Hello friends, today I and my brother will tell some important points about water and pollution and how to conserve water and what should do to not do pollution also. So please let's start. Please tell the first point in a speech.
Okay, so now I'm going to tell some important points about water. So now water. Water we need every day. Without water we cannot stay for longer days. That water is important resource, important natural resource. So now water we use drinking water. Now some people drink half bottle of water and throw in the street. Okay, and they waste that water and make it dirty. But we should not do like that. Even by brushing your teeth, you should not keep your tap on. It will waste your water. Okay, water is very essential resource for us. Without water, you can stay for at least 4 to 5 days, but without air, you cannot stay even for a minute. This is very air is more essential than water. So now water. You should not waste water every day. Now pure water. Now there is very density of pure water. The human beings waste water, drink half bottle of water and throw it down, and throw more half bottle in the down on the street. Then it becomes dirty. Then nobody can drink. But the street boys, the street children who are more poor, they don't have the money to buy the water, so they drink this dirty water, and they get they get infected, and they get different kinds of disease. So please don't do it like that. Please don't waste your water. Please save water. Also while bathing, you should take a bucket of water instead of showering. Okay. So now tell your point.
So I will tell some important points of pollution. So let's start.
Oh, you can stand and tell.
Okay. So let's start. Pollution. You know that we use car and we put petrol in that. Okay, when we on the engine from the silencer, there is a lot of pollution. The lot of pollution is created, and that created pollution goes in the sky, and it added to the sky. And when the rains come, the dirty rain come from the dirty water comes from the. So that's why some people tell that when the rain is coming, after 4 to 5 days we should not go down. After 4 to 5 days, the water will be clear. And pollution. There are 3 types of pollution, which is sound pollution, smoke pollution. Yeah, these two pollution.
Noise pollution.
Huh?
Noise pollution.
And noise pollution. Okay. Noise pollution. When you on the engine of bike, it creates a lot of pollution. If there is a traffic jam, and they will put the turn on, yeah. So this creates the sound pollution. And air pollution. Air pollution. Some people do smoke. Some people use diesel, that it does not create such sound or pollution. So, and also pollution is very bad, and so that's why some people wear mask to go out because of pollution. You know that our India is fully polluted. Okay. But in China China is the biggest country in the world. There the most people is there. So there is no pollution there is less pollution compared to India. Yeah. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to Channel Education.
So you have tell a very good speech. Can I add some points to your speech?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Now you know that the human beings are becoming lazy day by day. As you know, in the previous days, the humans were not having any car, bike.
They use bullock cart or cows, and they sit on there and go, and it does not pollute anything.
But previous days, when the humans were not having the idea of bullet cars, Then that time they usually used to walk from country to country, and they used to walk miles for water. Even now in the villages they used to walk, but now in the cities the human beings, as they are got advanced, they have invented a car, bike, cycle, and for the small
technology is so much.
and for small distances they take bikes.
Bikes, auto rickshaw or car.
Yes, you can. If the place you want to go is not too far, you can just walk and go. It can also be physically. You can also be physically healthy.
If we want water, we have always water in our home. But there in villages, we need water, a pot of water to go kilometers, 4 to 5 kilometers for a
Miles.
pot of water.
Miles.
Yeah.
So now, if you like this video, please like, please subscribe our channel Education King, and please also share this video to your friends, natives, cousins, etc. And please click on the notification bell icon so that you can get all notification.
Of our.
Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.